Hi guys, it's Yongxin. Welcome back. It's lunchtime. Today for your lunch, I'm gonna teach you guys make a really simple, easy, fast, delicious dessert. It's everybody's favorite, profiteroles. If you haven't watched a video from this morning about what dim sum we made today, make sure you check it out. I will pop the link above and down below. For the profiterole, let's get everything started straight away. Before we start everything, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 200 degrees with fan or 220 degrees without. So here, I got my ingredients all prepared, ready to go. So first of all, I'm going to put 75 white bread flour through my sieve with a pinch of salt. It didn't go everywhere today. And then I'm gonna leave this bowl on the side for now. I got 2 eggs here ready to go. I got 50 grams unsalted butter here. And 2 teaspoons of caster sugar. And 150 milliliters of water, 150. Yeah, that's everything we need to prepare. Now we are going to move to the hob. I got a saucepan and a wooden spoon here. So here, I just added in the butter, sugar and the water. I'm going to turn on the heat to low. And we are going to constantly stir it until everything's melted. My butter is nearly melted, guys, and I'm going to turn the heat up to high, bring the liquid to boil, and as soon as it's boiled, I'm going to take it off the heat straight away and add in the flour. So now I'm just waiting for the liquid to be boiled. Right, my liquid is boiled now. I'm going to turn off the heat, take it off the heat, and add in the flour. And constantly stir it until I get a dough sort of consistency. And you should get a clean pan as well. So I'm just gonna whisk it energetically. So here is what I got. It's like a dough. And I'm going to leave it on side to cool for about 5 minutes. At the same time, I'm going to beat 2 eggs. Right, so my mixture is cool enough now because it has been 5 minutes. And here I'm gonna add tiny bit of the egg liquid at a time. So I'm gonna add in some liquid and beat it, add more liquid, beat it, until I can get a golden smooth mixture. My arm is sore now. Right, finally I got my mixture right. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So, right, now I'm going to basically put some water on my baking tray. Then I'm going to quickly get rid of all the extra excess. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that. So can you see the lots of water here? I'm going to shake it, and then just get it off. And more. As you can see, there are lots of water drops on here. That's what we are looking for. So here I just quickly transfer all of my mixture in my packing bag, and I use a clipper to seal the top. So here I'm going to cut a fairly big hole. And then I'm going to quickly pipe my profiterole mixture on my baking tray. Right, ready, go! Là. Now I'm going to quickly do this. So here I got a small pot and I got some tap water in it. So here I'm going to dip my finger in it. Just basically push the top down on each profiterole. A general tap. Basically flat it. Really gentle tap. Then I'm gonna pop them in the oven. And I'm gonna leave them in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. Guys, I just got my profiterole out. So here, I'm gonna talk probably a little bit fast. Basically, when you take the profiterole and quickly create a hole at the bottom before they collapse. God, whew, it's hot. Just like that. And straight on the cooling rack. Right, now I'm going to quickly do this. My cute and neat profiteroles are out. I'm going to leave them on the cooling rack to cool a little bit. At the same time, I got some British double cream here. I'm going to add them in my plastic bowl here. So I got 300 milliliters. So here I'm going to add in 30 grams of custard sugar. So the ratio is 1 to 10. For example, if you got 600 milliliters of double cream, you will need 60 grams of custard sugar. Here I'm using my electric whisk. So we are going to start with low speed and not add any sugar in yet. Here I'm going to quickly add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to add my sugar bits by bits. So I normally divide my sugar to 3 batches. Once the cream mixture is thick enough, and I'm going to put them in a piping bag and I'm going to pipe them into my profiteroles. So here I'm using a long nozzle which is specifically designed for profiterole or filling anything like a cream. So here I'm going to show you guys. Basically, I'm going to squeeze the cream all the way to here, you can see, and then I'm going to put it in and pipe it. While it's going in, you can actually feel it. And we're going to pipe it in just enough to fill the profiterole because we don't want the profiterole burst. Yeah, just like this. Now I'm going to quickly do all of them and plate them up. So I got my profiteroles in a plate. Now I'm going to put on some low-calorie chocolate sauce. The one I'm using today is an orange flavored chocolate sauce, and I'm going to quickly drizzle some chocolate sauce on them. Here is my homemade profiteroles with chocolate sauce. Honestly, look at them. They are so cute, golden brown. They are absolutely gorgeous. Now, it's the most important part. I'm gonna try my profiteroles. Wow, they are so good. Honestly, the profiterole itself, the shell is so thin and there are lots of space inside. So I put in lots of cream and with the orange chocolate sauce on top, it's just amazing. Guys, try this recipe, Right, now I'm gonna enjoy my profiteroles with a cup of tea. I will see you guys at the dinner time. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, the bell. Bye.